Genuinely can't believe it's been a year, but we are back in Houston for Texas 2K. For those of you that are unfamiliar, Texas 2K is a roll race and drag racing event out in Houston where the fastest cars in the world show up. Last year, we saw a 3,000 plus horsepower Huracan STO set a world record. I raced my Tesla Plaid against a Honda Civic and lost, and I watched a guy crash his Gallardo at 200 miles an hour. We just pulled up to Houston Raceway. This is our rental S580. We'll talk a bit more about that later in the video, but I am so excited to see what cars are here today. Just in the parking lot alone, these aren't even the cars competing. We got this nice Supra, we got a CT5V Blackwing, nice twin turbo R8, and then look, they got a Raptor R as a support vehicle. How epic is the plate on this R8? 6 feet back, those insane exhaust tips. A90 Supra, it's got a license plate attached to the chute, full carbon fiber rear diffuser. Look at these beadlock wheels, massive slicks on it, probably pushing north of 1,000 horsepower. Look how many of these A90s there are all around. How insane is this Supra? We've got that Eventuri little intake instead of the headlight. Massive turbo. It almost doesn't even look like a V58 anymore. It kind of has a 2JZ type vibe to it. That is nuts. Literally twin turbo supercars everywhere you look. Look at this, purple intake manifolds. When you match your beadlock wheels to your intake manifold, you know you got a fast car. Dodge Demon on skinnies. Nice R8, sheepy race. How nice is the color on this Huracan Evo? R34 GTR, and it's not a normal one, it's an M-Spec NUR edition, which is one of just 285 ever made in the world. Really, really clean. That is epic. All right, we got day one of qualifying. They're about to start roll race qualifying. Let's see these cars run. Go, Supra. Twin turbo Viper. That Viper just ran 210 miles an hour in the quarter mile. Not the half mile, not the standing mile, in a quarter mile. Manual. 189. Performante. Oh my God. 206. So far, 215 miles an hour is the fastest pass of the day. They're doing qualifying right now. In about an hour, hour and a half, they're gonna start doing round one of elimination for roll racing. That's when things are gonna get interesting. Absolutely insane spec on this 765 LT. Beautiful purple, exposed carbon fiber everywhere on the hood, front splitter, headlights. That is dope. Damn, look at this T-Rex thing. This looks absolutely wild. absolutely ridiculous lineup of GTRs. Look at this full carbon fiber R8, and then this one. So this GTR behind me deserves some more attention on the channel. This car back in 2021 set the world record for fastest quarter-mile GTR in the world. Its nickname is Night Fury, and it's aptly named. This thing has a 4.3 liter long block with two massive turbos, as you can see right here, making north of 3,000 horsepower. This thing ran a 6.5 second quarter mile at 230 miles an hour. And it's actually just rear wheel drive. They removed the front wheel drive drivetrain components so it can be a little bit lighter up front, but the fact that it can run a 6.5 second quarter mile rear wheel drive is insane. Check out those dual chutes. Now they've developed this aero system that can actually tilt to reduce drag or increase drag off the line so you can have some more traction. That is pretty damn cool. I mean, the interior on this is wicked, but that front end with those two front-mounted turbos is just absolutely out of this world. Now, I don't know much about this. This one almost looks even crazier. The tire in the back is even bigger than Night Fury. This one's called Night Terror. Look at that. Oh my God. Unbelievable. I mean, get a load of how wide the tires are on this GTR, and it's got not one but two different parachutes. So I gotta give a huge shout out to Uptown Exotics for hooking it up with the S580 while we're out here in Houston. If you're looking for an exotic rental car, they've got things like Huracans, McLaren GTs, Rolls Royces, Escalade, S-Class. It's the place to go. I'm gonna link both their Instagram and their website in the description below. Super friendly guys. Let me show you the spec on this S-Class because it is pretty darn epic. I love the interior on these new S-Classes. The screen right here, that kind of floating display, looks so nice, and then the back seat area. I mean, it doesn't get much nicer than this. This car also doubles as an incredible editing station because there's so much room back here. You can just use a mobile hotspot, sit out of the noise, out of the wind, get some work done. Look at the guy's plate on this Shelby. It just says, sorry Enzo. That's hilarious. Absolutely insane spec on this twin turbocharged Huracan STO. Get a load of those rear wheels. It's got center lock wheels that are also bead locked. I've never seen that before. Get a load of the rear. You can see those turbos poking out through the back bumper. Look how high this Performante is lifted on this jack. That's unbelievable. Damn. How crazy is the exhaust setup on this twin turbo R8? That is sick. Texas 2K is awesome for a ton of different reasons. One, it brings together a huge crowd of like-minded car people. And after the Texas 2K races, everyone goes out on the streets at nighttime. There's awesome car shows, and there's some crazy cash street races at night. But the other cool thing that I really like is it's not just twin turbo Huracans and twin turbo Vipers that cost $500,000. People have a whole bunch of different types of vehicles, like this CTSV. Look at the turbocharger setup on this CTSV. That is so sick. Oh my God. All right, this has got to be the craziest whip at Texas 2K. We've got a Mercy golf cart. That is actually so sick. It's got the scissor doors too. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Cool lineup of cars next to that Mercy golf cart. I like the Shelby trucks. And look at this, turbo Miata. That is a big turbo.
25 racks.
Damn, looks like this Huracan had a pretty extreme accident. Oh my gosh, look, we've stumbled upon a herd of these things. This is amazing. Look at that, there's a Porsche as well. Oh yeah, that Camaro ZL1. Holy crap, it's $25,000. Yeah, I don't know about that. It's funny, Texas 2K is the only place where you see a car like a Huracan STO and you just assumed that it's got twin turbos on it. This one appears to be stock. Looking at it from the back, maybe an exhaust. Absolutely wild spec though. How badass is this? UGR twin turbo Gallardo, and then you take a look at the inside, and it's a gated manual. That is awesome. This Integra is wild. So at first look, it's got some carbon fiber work, but look at this. They've extended the wheelbase, which used to be there, so that they could fit the engine in the back. That is unbelievable. And talk about a straight piped exhaust. I mean, it's like a 5-foot long straight pipe. There's a Performante rolling out. one of my favorite cars here, the 997 Turbo. This thing sounds so ridiculous. Oh my God. Yeah, it doesn't get much cooler than that. So it's supposed to rain later on in the week, and this guy's got a top-mounted exhaust. So check this out. He's stuffed footballs into his exhaust so he doesn't get water in it. That is awesome. Round 1 of Eliminations is starting right now. Look at this, we just pulled up to the drive-thru in the S580. How funny does this look? It looks like we're too small to reach the window up there. Look at this truck that just pulled up behind us. What are these graphics? Well guys, there you have it, day 1 at Texas 2K. I'm gonna end the video here, but in the next video, you'll see some of the shenanigans that are about to happen at nighttime. That's where the crazy stuff goes down on the streets of Houston during Texas 2K. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.